everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a Christmas Santa hat out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a medium-sized ball of red clay and I'm rolling one side out into a teardrop shape. And then just using my blade to cut off the thicker end so that it becomes a cone. I then have a small ball of white clay and I'm rolling that into a thick snake. And then flattening that with my acrylic rolling pin. And cutting off the edges with my blade so that it's all even. And sliding my blade under it to remove it from my work surface. Then just wrapping it around the thicker end of the cone. And cutting off the excess where the two ends meet. And then just blending the seam together. And then to give it a little bit of texture, I have a small dotting tool and I'm just gently pressing that all over the white strip so that it looks nice and fluffy. Next up, to make the hat look floppy, I'm just gently bending the tip of the cone down to the side. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny U shape for the mouth. And then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. Next, I'm inserting an eye pin to turn it into a charm. So now at this stage, I'm going to bake it fully using my package's instructions, just to keep the tip of the hat nice and pointy. And then when it's cooled down completely, I've gone ahead and rolled a small ball of white clay and I'm brushing on a small amount of bacon bond on the pointy part of the hat. And then just pushing the ball onto the end of it. Then texturing it like I did with the white strip. And then lastly, I'm baking everything for a second time. And then once everything's cooled down completely, I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!